Welcome back to our channel, Automotive Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an essential component of your car that you might overlook, but is crucial for safety and performance: the brake rotor. If you're tired of brake squeaks, premature wear, or inconsistent stopping power, you've tuned in to the right video. Join us as we explore the best brake rotors on the market, breaking down what makes them stand out from the rest. From design innovations to performance ratings, we've got you covered. So, buckle up and let's get ready to rev up your braking game. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more automotive insights. Number 5. KC Rear Brake Kit. Designed specifically for 1998 to 2004 S10, 1997 to 2005 Blazer, 1998 to 2004 Sonoma, and 1997 to 2001 Jimmy models. This comprehensive kit includes precision-engineered drilled and slotted brake rotors paired with high-performance ceramic brake pads, ensuring superior stopping power and reliability with its innovative carbon fiber ceramic materials. This kit is perfect for trucks and towing applications, offering enhanced performance under heavy loads. Moreover, the drilled and slotted design facilitates heat dissipation, reducing the risk of cracking and uneven wear. Enjoy a quieter ride with low dust and noise features, thanks to the included shims and special formulation. Rated at an impressive 4.3 stars on Amazon, the KC Rear Brake Kit is undoubtedly a top choice for those seeking the best brake rotor replacement solution, maximizing both safety and durability for every journey. Number 4. Max Advanced Brakes Front Brake Rotors. These premium brake rotors are designed specifically for 2009 to 2019 Toyota Corolla, Matrix, Scion XD, and Pontiac Vibe. Rated an impressive 4.6 stars on Amazon. They are hailed as the best brake rotor choice for your vehicle, crafted from durable cast iron with a precise machined finish. These rotors guarantee reliability and long-lasting performance for everyday use. They meet OEM specifications, making them a perfect fit for your daily driving needs. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, the double-disc grinding process ensures optimal performance by eliminating lateral runout and disc thickness variation, resulting in a smooth and efficient braking experience. This complete rotor set comes ready to install with no modifications needed, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a cost-effective braking solution. Don't miss out on upgrading your vehicle's braking system with these outstanding rotors. Number 3. Raybesto's R-Line Replacement Front Disc Brake Rotor is the ideal choice for your Cadillac, Chevrolet, or GMC vehicle, with a robust construction from cast iron and precision machining. These rotors enhance performance and safety for trucks and SUVs, boasting an impressive Amazon rating of 4.4. Raybesto's emphasizes quality and reliability in their design, engineered to meet OE specifications. The G3000 qualified material ensures optimal form, fit, and function while delivering dependable braking performance. The mill-balanced edges contribute to a smoother, quieter ride, significantly extending pad life. With rigorous testing to meet SAE standards, these rotors guarantee structural integrity and durability for everyday driving conditions. Choose the Raybesto's R-Line for the best brake rotor and experience superior stopping power on the road. Number 2. Detroit Axle Front Brake Kit. Specifically designed for 2007 to 2012 Nissan Sentra, Versa, and 2009 to 2014 Nissan Cube models. This kit includes high-quality components such as 2X front disc brake rotors and 2X ceramic brake pads, plus additional brake cleaner and fluid. The rotors exceed OEM specifications, ensuring a perfect fit for superior stopping power. The premium ceramic brake pads mean you can expect longer-lasting performance with a smooth, quiet operation, far superior to generic metallic pads. Rigorous impact, wear, and fatigue testing guarantees quality and durability, making this the best brake rotor choice for your vehicle. With an impressive Amazon rating of 4.7, you can trust that you're making a smart investment. Plus, it comes with a 10-year warranty, confirming Detroit Axle's commitment to excellent craftsmanship. Upgrade your ride's braking system today and experience the difference. Number 1. Bosch has long been a trusted name in automotive parts, and the Bosch 500-11479 Quiet Cast Premium Disc Brake Rotor is no exception. Designed for select Lexus and Toyota models, this rotor promises optimal performance with its innovative materials and factory precision balancing. With a remarkable Amazon rating of 4.4, it effectively reduces brake judder, noise, and vibration, offering a smooth and safe braking experience. The aluminum/zinc coating ensures rust and corrosion resistance, enhancing both durability and aesthetics, making it perfect for modern open wheels. Engineered for long life and equipped with OEM-style features, including ABS tone rings. This rotor guarantees compatibility with anti-lock brake and traction control systems. Bosch's commitment to quality shines through, making this a top choice for anyone seeking the best brake rotor on the market. In conclusion, choosing the best brake rotor is crucial for optimal vehicle performance and safety. With the right rotor, you ensure shorter stopping distances, improve heat dissipation, and a smoother driving experience. Remember to consider factors like material, design, and compatibility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts or experiences with brake rotors in the comments below. Safe driving, and see you in the next video.